In this video, we are exploring the top 5 best electric bikes for 2025. Whether you're looking for power, range, comfort, or off-road capability, these models offer the perfect balance of performance and innovation. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. DeePower K300. The DeePower K300 electric bike combines power, portability, and practicality for city commuting and weekend adventures. At the heart of this folding e-bike is a 400-watt brushless motor, providing smooth acceleration and a top speed of 22 miles per hour. Whether you are navigating traffic or riding up gentle hills, it delivers reliable performance with a solid frame that supports up to 230 pounds. One of its standout features is the 48-volt 30-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, offering an impressive range of up to 90 miles in electric assist mode. The removable battery design allows for convenient indoor charging, perfect for riders who want flexibility without hauling the entire bike inside. The K300 also features an innovative quick folding mechanism, making it easy to store in tight spaces like car trunks, offices, or small apartments. This compact form factor is ideal for urban dwellers who value both function and convenience. Safety is built into every ride. The K300 includes a high-brightness front headlight and a rear warning taillight, ensuring visibility during low-light conditions. Its dual brake system, with both front and rear brakes, delivers dependable stopping power on a variety of surfaces. Arriving 90% pre-assembled, the K300 is quick to set up and includes clear instructions and tools. Whether commuting, running errands, or exploring the city, the DeePower K300 offers an eco-friendly, long-range solution with practical urban mobility in mind. Number 4. DeePower S7Pro. The DeePower S7Pro electric bike is built for adventure, combining retro aesthetics with cutting-edge technology to deliver a powerful and versatile off-road experience. At its core is a 2,000-watt brushless hub motor, providing exceptional torque and the ability to climb 30-degree inclines with ease. Whether navigating mountain trails or cruising through city streets, this high-performance bike is designed to handle it all. It features a sturdy metal frame capable of supporting up to 330 pounds, and its aerodynamic, streamlined design enhances both stability and speed. The 48-volt 60-ampere-hour battery offers a long-lasting range, reducing the need for frequent charging and supporting extended journeys. With 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and traditional pedal, you can tailor your ride to suit terrain and preference. The large LED display clearly presents speed, battery status, and mode selection, giving riders full control at a glance. Comfort and control are prioritized with a front double fork shock absorber system and 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, providing excellent traction and smoothing out rough, uneven terrain. From bumpy mountain paths to rugged city roads, the S7 Pro ensures a stable and enjoyable ride. Blending style with performance, the DeePower S7 Pro is ideal for thrill seekers and commuters alike. Its powerful motor, extended battery life, and responsive suspension make it a standout choice for anyone seeking reliability, speed, and comfort in one durable electric bike. Number 3. DeePower V8 Max. The DeePower V8 Max electric bike delivers a bold fusion of vintage design and modern performance, perfect for both urban commuters and off-road adventurers. Its retro-inspired frame is paired with advanced technology, offering not only style but exceptional functionality. Powered by a 1,000-watt brushless gearless motor, the V8 Max reaches speeds of up to 55 kilometers per hour with the capability to conquer 30-degree inclines effortlessly. The 48-volt, 25-ampere-hour lithium battery provides extended range and recharges fully in just 6 to 7 hours, making it ideal for long-distance rides with minimal interruptions. This electric bike features 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and manual cycling, offering flexibility for every ride. Coupled with a 7-speed gear system, it adapts smoothly to changing terrain, whether climbing steep hills or cruising through city traffic. Comfort is enhanced by a double front fork suspension system and 20-inch fat tires, which absorb shocks and maintain excellent traction on both paved roads and rugged trails. Safety is prioritized through a dual mechanical disc brake system, ensuring responsive and reliable stopping power even at high speeds or on steep descents. Arriving 90% pre-assembled, the V8 Max is quick to set up and built to perform, combining power, comfort, and retro charm. The DeePower V8 Max is a standout choice for riders who value speed, durability, and distinctive style in one high-performance electric bike. Number 2. Coswheel CT20S. The Coswheel CT20S electric bike is a high-performance machine that merges the rugged power of a dirt bike with the efficiency and adaptability of an electric bicycle. Built for both urban commuting and off-road adventures, this model features a 2,000-watt motor that delivers rapid acceleration and steady high-speed performance, making it ideal for adrenaline seekers and everyday riders alike. At its core is a 60-volt, 27.5-ampere-hour lithium battery, offering long-range capability with every charge. Whether you're covering long commutes or exploring trails on the weekend, this battery ensures minimal recharging and maximum ride time. With fast charging support, downtime is reduced, keeping you on the move. The 20-inch fat tires provide superior grip and stability across a variety of surfaces, from paved roads to gravel, dirt, or sand. These oversized tires work in tandem with a reinforced suspension system, delivering a smooth, shock-absorbing ride even on rough terrain or steep inclines. Crafted for versatility, the CT20S features a sleek yet rugged frame that supports both aggressive trail riding and stylish urban travel. The aerodynamic design does not compromise durability, making it equally suited for high-speed city riding and challenging mountain trails. Backed by expert engineering and fast global delivery from overseas warehouses, the Coswheel CT20S offers a premium blend of power, endurance, and style. For riders seeking top-tier performance on every terrain, this electric bike is a standout choice with unmatched capability and control. Number 1. Coswheel GT20 Pro. The Coswheel GT20 Pro electric bike is engineered for riders who crave extreme power, extended range, and all-terrain versatility. At the core of this high-performance machine is a 3,000-watt brushless motor, delivering explosive acceleration and smooth high-speed control, whether you're navigating urban streets or tackling rugged mountain trails. Fueling this powerhouse is a 48-volt, 40-ampere-hour lithium battery, offering an extraordinary range of up to 145 miles on a single charge. This extended battery life makes the GT20 Pro ideal for long-distance commuting, cross-country adventures, or full-day excursions without the need for frequent recharging. Built for durability and comfort, the aluminum alloy frame provides strength without unnecessary bulk. The 20-inch fat tires ensure superior traction and shock absorption on all terrains, from pavement and dirt to gravel and sand. Paired with a reinforced suspension system, the GT20 Pro guarantees a smooth and stable ride even on uneven surfaces or steep inclines. Its ergonomic design includes spacious seating, supporting up to 2 riders for shared adventures. The sleek yet rugged frame merges modern aesthetics with practical durability, making it as stylish as it is tough. With expert engineering, fast global shipping from overseas warehouses, and top-tier components throughout, the Coswheel GT20 Pro sets a new standard in electric biking. Whether used for high-speed commuting or off-road exploration, this electric bike offers the perfect balance of power, endurance, and versatility for the most demanding riders. There you have it, the top 5 electric bikes for 2025. If one of these caught your eye, let us know in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech and gear reviews coming your way.